Do you ever find yourself longing for the vitality and energy you once had? Welcome to the revolution in wellness, Ultra Mito Restore and Ultra Mito Rejuvenate. These groundbreaking nano-sized nutraceuticals delivered by medical science's breakthrough in nanotechnology, the eXponential delivery system. The Ultra Mito isn't just another product on the wellness market, it's a leap into the future medical science of health and vitality. Ultra Mito Restore and Rejuvenate targets the heart of your cellular engines, your mitochondria. These microscopic powerhouses are the foundation of your energy and vitality. When they falter, everything from your physical stamina to your mental acuity starts to wane. Ultra Mito Restore and Rejuvenate are your keys to reignite these diminutive dynamos, offering your body the tools it needs to repair, restore, and rejuvenate your mitochondria and perform at their peak. At the core of Ultra Mito Restore and Rejuvenate's unmatched efficacy is the revolutionary XDS, Exponential Delivery System, of nutraceutical nanotechnology. This cutting-edge science allows for the precise delivery of nutrients at a cellular level, ensuring maximum absorption and benefit. By harnessing this nanotech, Ultra Mito Restore and Rejuvenate enables each ingredient to be utilized more effectively by your body, thus amplifying the restorative process. So, what can you expect when you incorporate Ultra Mito into your daily routine? Firstly, you'll recharge your battery. Enjoy a surge of clean, sustained energy throughout the day, without the crash often associated with energy boosters. You'll also clarify your mind, experiencing mental clarity like never before. Stay sharp, focused, and ready to conquer any cognitive task that lies ahead. And for those who push their physical limits, Ultra Mito supports muscle recovery and enhances endurance. Finally, it aids your body in its natural detoxification processes, promoting a healthier you. Don't let life's demands drain you of your well-deserved vitality. Embrace the transformative power of Ultra Mito and step into a world where age does not define ability. For more information and to place your order, visit the website provided at moremito.com/JD65. As a dedicated product user and promoter of Ultra Mito and the remarkable XDS nanotechnology, I, Jay Dahlman, am here to guide you on your path to wellness. Reach out to me directly for personalized insights into how this powerful supplement can elevate your daily life. You have the power to revolutionize your vitality with Ultra Mito Restore and Ultra Mito Rejuvenate. Visit the website or get in touch with me to discover how Ultra Mito Restore 3.0 can redefine your energy, health, and overall well-being. Take control of your vitality, your future self will thank you.